Hello, welcome to my video presentation for Bio 282. To jump right into it, this is my title slide. The news article from the New York Times is Mother Sea Turtles Might Be Sneakier Than They Look, and the primary article connected to it is Buried Treasure, Marine Turtles Do Not Disguise or Camouflage Their Nests, but Avoid Them and Create a Decoy Trail, and this is by me, Eliza Olafson. It was found in a study done by Dr. Kennedy and Tom Burns, which is what the primary article is about, that the sea turtles have been creating decoy nests. It is a well-known fact that once eggs are laid, they're left sitting waiting to either be hatched or found by a predator, whether that be wild pigs, dogs, or poachers. To help prevent this from occurring, sea turtles have been moving away from the actual nest containing their eggs in several different locations and directions to dig up an empty nest. This term has been coined sand scattering. The two species, which have been recorded doing this, share a common ancestor from over 100 million years ago. And behavioral traits are found to be genetic, which is also something that is connected to the evolution process of these species, which is connecting this article to our class. This research project was done in Trinidad and Tobago from 2013 to 2019. These are sister islands in the Caribbean near Venezuela in South America. 2 species of sea turtles were observed over 6 years, and those were the leatherback and hawksbill. This is actually a picture of a leatherback, and in the last slide it was a hawksbill. The leatherback sea turtles are the largest species of turtle in the world, and they grow to 5 feet and weigh over 2,000 pounds, while the hawksbill is one of the smallest species in turtles, which grow to around 3 feet and 150 pounds. While the news article from the New York Times suggests that the reason for this nesting behavior from the female sea turtles is to confuse the predators and improve the survival rates of these babies, which are yet to hatch, there is some speculation that arises in the research article. It is also a possibility that the reason for this strange behavior is to test the beach conditions and find the best spot to lay their eggs. However, this can be rebutted with the fact that sea turtles continue to dig these decoy nests even after they have laid their eggs. It was also mentioned in the article that no 2 turtles show similar movement patterns, proving some support to the fact that this is a trait in which isn't common between all turtles, and they weren't taught a pattern or had one engraved in them. This also helps to prove that both the news article and research article have an accurate representation of the sea turtles and sand scattering activity. Moving on, these are 2 graphs. The first one, to the left, Figure 2, is from the research project tracking the hawksbill turtles' scattering stations. You can see that the dots where the hawksbill turtle was creating a fake station for the eggs and turned into a new path to create another fake nest. The red dot being the nest they laid their eggs in, and the clear ones being the fake ones, and the green ones are stations they visited twice. The graph on the right is the one I made based on scattering stations by species and the average distance between them. You can see that the leatherbacks have way more scattering stations than the hawksbill, and that might be due to the size, but we're not quite sure. Then we have the credits page, which is my name, and the course context, Bio 282 Conceptual Approach for Biology Majors 2, Arizona State University, 2021. And finally, the reference page, which has the links and citations to the articles, pictures, and even the slideshow theme. Thank you for watching!